Welcome to 3D Mechanical Design, SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of using the routing add-in to create a detailed 3D piping model in SolidWorks. We'll be creating a 3.5-inch diameter spool that includes three 3.5 flanges, a T, and 2 short elbows. Preparation. Before diving into the modeling process, ensure you have the necessary tools ready. Activate the routing add-in. Creating the piping model. Starting the route. Open or create a new assembly file for your piping model. Insert a starting 3.5-inch flange from the design library. The route subassembly will be automatically created. Configuring route properties. In the Route Properties Property Manager, set options specific to your route type. Specify pipe and elbow schedule. Click OK to confirm settings. Creating the route path. A 3D sketch will open. Use sketch tools like Line to create your route. Drag a 3.5-inch by 3.5-inch by 3.5-inch T from the design library. Create 90-degree and 90-degree lines. Add 3 more 3.5-inch flanges from the design library. Finalizing the model. Clean up the model by removing any extra pipes. Right-click and use the Remove Pipe tool to eliminate unnecessary segments. Congratulations! You have successfully created a 3D model of your spool in SolidWorks using the routing. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more beginner-friendly SolidWorks content.